Are you looking for the best Dewalt miter saw? In this video, we will break down the top 6 Dewalt miter saws on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Dewalt DW713. This is an extremely portable compound miter saw, with a total weight of 35 pounds and dimensions of 19 into 23.8 into 17 inches. It's perfect for making crosscut and miter cuts, as well as easily ripping through molding and framing applications, due to the powerful motor. It has a 15 MP motor with a maximum RPM speed of 5,000. It supports the fenced machine with the base and is driven vertically with the blade. Also, there is a cam miter lock for fixed meter cut positioning with override features. In addition, the miter angles are incredibly accurate, the easily adjustable cam lock miter handle. To prevent the saw from slipping into the miter detents, a detent override is included. After all, it comes with a 3-year limited warranty, a 1-year free service contract, and a 90-day money-back guarantee. At number 2. Dewalt DWS779. This 12 inches slider compound miter saw comes with a powerful 15 amp motor. This produces up to 3,800 RPM, which is adjustable and allows you to quickly cut through soft and hardwood, metal, and plastic alike. One of its key advantages is impressive cutting capacity, giving you 2 into 16 dimensional kinds of wood at 90 degrees and 2 into 12 at 45 degrees. Also, this model boasts a built-in cutline blade positioning system. This enables accurate cuts even though the saw doesn't include a LED guide. The saw also has double horizontal rails made of steel with linear ball bearings to promote precision. This is a corded 120 volts 60 Hz AC model that uses a traditional power outlet. At 56 pounds and measuring 17 inches height into 24.75 inches length, the tool is fairly heavy. As well, it comes with a pre-installed 32T blade, a wrench, a material clamp, and a dust bag. Finally, it's backed by a 3-year limited warranty for your satisfaction. At number 3. DeWalt FLEXVOLT DHS790 at 2. It is both a corded and cordless miter saw. This is perhaps the greatest feature of this FLEXVOLT compound miter saw. It is designed to work on both a 120 volts AC power supply, and it can also work on 2 into 60 volts batteries. Also, this one features a 120 volts brushless motor. This is very good because a brushless motor is easier to maintain and it lasts longer than a brushed motor. The cutline blade positioning system casts a shadow of the blade on the material, showing the exact width of the blade and where the blade will pass through when the cut is made. And, the miter detent plate has 11 detents with 60 and 50 degrees to the right and left respectively. Furthermore, the 60 volts FLEXVOLT batteries can also power your normal 20 volts max tools such as your DeWalt drills and the rest tools you have that operate on 20 volts. The 60 volt batteries change to 20 volts automatically immediately after they are plugged into the 20 volts tools. At number 4. DeWalt DWS713. This model is one of the most powerful on the market. It has a 5,000 RPM engine with the standard 15 amp and as a result, its cutting is fast. The miter saw has an optimal cutting capacity of 45 degrees and 2 into 6 inches. Also, you can regulate the bevel angle only to the left side. It can be a maximum of 48 degrees and 3 degrees to the right. However, there are 14 positive detent stops, 45 degrees on both sides. The sliding fence can cope with the 4 1/4 inches of wood and is based vertically. These miter saw parts are made of stainless steel. This material is highly durable and hardly gets damaged. It is also heavy, so the device weighs 38.07 pounds. It is medium weight, you will be able to transport it, but it will take some effort. Above all else, this miter saw kit also includes a carbide blade, vertical clamp, convenient side handles, blade wrench, and dust bag. The device has a 1-year warranty with free service. At number 5. Dewalt DWS716 XPS. The 15-amp motor in this 12-inch double-bevel compound miter saw drives 3,800 revolutions per minute to deliver extended power and durability. This saw has a stainless steel miter detent plate with 14 positive stops and a cam miter lock system that provides repeatable accuracy and durability with easy adjustments. Tall sliding fences support 6.5 inch of base molding vertically and 6 5/8 inch of crown molding vertically nested. Also, an integrated XPS cut line positioning system with a LED guide included shows you the cut line with no need for adjustment, making the tool extremely easy to use. This is a corded 49 pounds model that's also smaller than the leader, offering optimized portability due to a built-in carry handle. As well, the tool comes with a carbide-tipped blade, a wrench, a dust bag, and a quick clamp. Overall, a high-efficiency dust duct is concentrated at the point of cut for maximum collection. And its lightweight design and built-in carry handle provide portability. At number 6. Dewalt DWS709. This is a slide compound miter saw that offers quite a lot for its price. It has a standard 15A motor with up to 3,800 revolutions per minute, which is something you can expect from the majority of Dewalt miter saws in this class. One of the best features is the back fence design that can cut up to 2 x 14 dimensional lumber at 45 degrees and up to 2 x 4 at 90 degrees. The bevel scale is oversized and easy to read while you are working. Also, the device is moderate in its weight of 51 pounds. You can take it with you on location or carry it around the property if you work at home.